Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your spending habits with American Express, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your spending habits with American Express, start by assessing your current financial situation. Review your monthly income and expenses to identify areas where you can improve. Set clear financial goals for yourself, such as saving for a vacation or paying down debt. Explore the various American Express cards available to find one that aligns with your goals. Consider factors like cashback, travel rewards, and annual fees. Once you've chosen a card, apply online and provide the necessary personal and financial information. After approval, familiarize yourself with the card's features, including rewards programs. Start using your American Express card for regular expenses, such as groceries and bills, to maximize rewards. Track your spending to ensure you stay within your budget while using the card. Take advantage of the rewards program by redeeming points for cashback or travel. Utilize financial tools provided by American Express to monitor your spending and manage your finances. Set up alerts to help you stay on top of payment due dates and spending limits. Consider using features like purchase protection or extended warranty for added security on your purchases. Review your spending habits regularly to identify trends and areas for improvement. Adjust your budget as necessary to optimize your rewards and financial goals. Engage with the American Express community for tips on maximizing benefits and rewards. By following these steps, you can successfully upgrade your spending habits and make the most of your American Express card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.